the recipe that we are making today is a watermelon, cucumber, and feta salad. And it is refreshing, and I know that you're going to enjoy it. It's a sweet and sour salad with 5 basic ingredients. And they are seedless watermelon, fresh mint. If you don't have fresh mint at home and you have fresh basil, feel free to substitute, or you can use dry mint. We also have our cucumber. It has the skin on, but we seed it, we remove the seeds. So one of the quickest way to seed this cucumber is to slice it in half. Take a teaspoon from the beginning to the end and just push it upwards. So take it from the beginning, rest it down firmly with a spoon and just lift it up. And here you go, perfectly seeded cucumber. We have also feta cheese. And one of the reasons why I like feta cheese, not just in this recipe, but in many recipes, is because it is lower in calories than the other semi-soft cheeses, and it's also low in saturated fat. It's high protein, lower saturated fat, which is ideal. And last but not least, we have red onion here that has been diced, and to the red onion we added a little bit of vinaigrette, of Italian vinaigrette that we made previously. Check out recipes. And also added a little bit of the watermelon juice, and it's just to mellow out the red onion so it's not so sharp when we mix the salad. So again, this is a beautiful salad. It is delicious. Another component of the salad that we're not adding today, but I do like to add, are olives, black Kalamata olives. And the reason why I like to add them is because they are salty, and against the sweetness of the watermelon, it's really a beautiful combination. But if you don't like olives, you can omit it. This recipe I love to make when I am invited to a picnic or a barbecue, or just for a refreshing salad at home on a hot day. Here we have all the ingredients mixed together in a bowl. It took us just a couple minutes to put this together. I am just going to mix it and plate it back on the empty shelf of the watermelon. Here's the finished product. We're ready to have this delicious salad. Bon appetit!